The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is generating a lot of buzz lately. Leaks about this new drone are popping up everywhere, from test footage to what looks like official promotional material. Today, let's dive into the latest leaks and see what we can expect from DJI's upcoming release. A recent 41-second video surfaced online, shared by leaker Jasper Ellens. In the clip, we see the Mavic 4 Pro landing, covered in prototype stickers. This confirms that it's the next big model, following the Mavic 3 Pro. The camera housing is clear in the video, giving us a good look at what's to come. One of the exciting things we learned from the video is the zoom options. It shows shortcuts for 1x, 2.5x, and 6x zoom. This lines up with earlier rumors about the Mavic 4 Pro packing multiple lenses, a primary camera, a medium telephoto, and a long telephoto lens. Interestingly, previous leaks suggested different zoom options of 1x, 3x, and 7x, so it seems DJI is still fine-tuning these settings. This change in zoom options suggests DJI might be experimenting with different sensor setups. They could be optimizing image processing to deliver the best possible results, no matter the shooting conditions. This kind of adjustment is typical during beta testing, as DJI works to get things just right. Another big update is the addition of vertical video recording. This is great news for content creators who need both traditional horizontal and social media-friendly vertical shots. The Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a versatile tool for all kinds of content. The Mavic 4 Pro isn't just about cameras. There are rumors of improved flight performance, too. Expect better wind resistance and longer battery life compared to its predecessor. These upgrades could make the Mavic 4 Pro an even more compelling choice for professional photographers and videographers who rely on their drones for demanding work. While there's no official word on the launch date yet, the growing number of leaks suggests we're getting close. Stay tuned, as we'll continue to track any new updates on the Mavic 4 Pro. With these exciting features, it looks like DJI is about to deliver a serious upgrade for drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. What do you think of the latest Mavic 4 Pro leaks? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.